Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve an integral calculus problem using trigonometric substitution. So the problem is the integral of dx all over x squared plus 9. So here we can see that the problem is written in this form, u squared plus a squared. So this is x squared plus 9, or this is equal to 3 squared. So our u here is x and our a is equal to 3. So if we see this form right here, we can use a substitution. U is equal to a tan theta. So let's substitute u, that is x, a is equal to 3 then tan theta. This is our equation 1. So we're going to derive this. That would be dx is equal to 3 secant squared theta d theta. This is our second equation. Then we're going to form a right triangle. Let me just rewrite this into tan theta is equal to x over 3. Remember that tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So x will be the opposite. This is our theta. A is here. So our hypotenuse will be x squared plus 9, the square root of it. So from there, let's get what is secant theta equal to. Secant theta is equal to, remember that secant theta is equal to the hypotenuse over adjacent. Our hypotenuse here is the square root of x squared plus 9 over our adjacent, which is 3. Then let's multiply both sides by 3. 3 secant theta is equal to the square root of x squared plus 9. Then we're going to square both sides. So we'll get 9 secant squared theta is equal to x squared plus 9. The reason why we squared this whole expression here to get x squared plus 9, so that we can substitute it later on. So this will serve as our equation 3. So let's do the substitution. Let me just rewrite our original problem here. The integral of dx all over x squared plus 9. This is equal to the integral of dx. We derived that earlier. That is equal to 3 secant squared theta d theta. And x squared plus 9, that is equal to 9 secant squared theta. So we can cancel secant squared theta here. And we'll be left with 3 over 9, that is equal to 1/3 d theta. So this is equal to 1/3. If we integrate d theta, that would be equal to theta plus c. So we need to rewrite the theta in terms of x. So how do we get that? From here, from the equation tan theta is equal to x over 3, going to get the value of theta there. So tan theta is equal to x over 3. So we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by arctan. So we'll get theta is equal to arctan of x over 3. So 1/3 arctan x over 3 plus c. So that is the answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something today, and see you again next time.